The all-parties Hurriyat conference, while lauding Prime Minister Shahbaz for robustly raising the Kashmir dispute at his UN General Assembly speech, has said that Pakistan is the true champion of Kashmir cause and strong advocate of their right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, the APHC, in a statement issued in Srinagar today, said that the powerful speech of Prime Minister Shahbaz is a morale booster for the oppressed Kashmiris who are confronting Indian state terrorism over the past 7 decades. APHC Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar, in a special message from Srinagar Central Jail, said that Pakistan is the only hope for Kashmiris. He thanked the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and Organization of Islamic Cooperation for highlighting the plight of Kashmiri people at the global forum. Other Hurriyat leaders, including Sayyid Bashir Andarabi, Khadim Hussain and Sibte Shabir Kumi, urged the world to come forward for peaceful settlement of the Kashmir dispute to prevent more bloodshed in the occupied territory. Many people were arrested in the ongoing raids by India-controlled state investigation agency at multiple locations in central and north of the Kashmir Valley. The sleuths of the agency, backed by Indian Police and Central Reserve Police Force, carried out raids in Srinagar, Budgam and Kupwara districts. An agency officer confirmed the arrests under draconian laws. Meanwhile, the bedridden octogenarian religious and political figure Abdullah Tari was forced to appear before a court in Srinagar in a fake case. In order to avoid arrest, the 86-year-old Abdullah Tari had to appear before the judge in person despite suffering from multiple ailments. On the other hand, anti-India protest demonstrations were held in Islamabad, Muzaffarabad, Brussels and other parts of the world against the Indian Foreign Minister Jaishankar's speech at the UN General Assembly today. The protests were carried out by APHC, AJK Pasbane Hurriyat and Kashmir Council European Union. Speakers at the occasion said that India is trying to hide behind the global issues like the Ukraine war to hide its crimes against humanity in the occupied territory.